Hi all, welcome back to YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. So today I have planned to give some informative things to you all, stating that so many have keep on said that the UiPath version which we are working on our demo, and then the UiPath studio which are installed from the studio got updated, and it made you to force and work in a different activities, that's why you are just feeling different in the UI which you are working currently. So when you are working in a community edition, so UiPath will enforce you to update the version automatically. So what I will suggest, so you can download this particular version which I have put on this Google Drive, and then you can activate your enterprise edition so that it can block the automation update of your studio for next 60 days. So not only the enterprise edition will help you to block. So the enterprise edition lots and lots of actions and UiPath the cloud service it has. So we can make use of those. So as as I think main thing. So we are focusing on this since you're new to UiPath. So if you're working closely to me, so it will help you, and it will help you to complete your task so quickly. So if you're facing in a new environment, so it may be a complex bit. So but I will suggest, so as of now, so you can install this version and you can activate your enterprise so that no other updates will be happened, so it will block for next 60 days. So once you're got a good knowledge in this, so for sure you can get practice in new version also. So that is not much difficult. Even I have explored the new version, updated version of UiPath Studio, so it is pretty much simple and it is pretty much cool actually. So they have eliminated so many tasks which you have to do manually. So in for an example, in for each loop, so those things. Yeah, but understood for as of now. So we can to make it very simple. So we can install the UiPath Studio from this drive and then activate the Enterprise Edition so that for next 60 days your update will be blocked, and you can get practice in this 60 days. So once it is got updated after 60 days also, you'll be able to address in the new edition what are the activity it was and how to handle those. So if you want to no need your UiPath Studio should be updated, so you can use another enterprise ID so that it will extend for next 60 days. So likewise you can do it. Let me quickly jump back to the orchestrator and show you how to activate your enterprise. So before activating the enterprise, I will suggest you to go to this Google Drive link and you can install your UiPath Studio. After that, just jump back to the UiPath Cloud. Already I have opened it, so you can just go for admin, and then so you can see couple of options here. So in this, you can go for license, and you can make your start pro trial, right? So just click on here. Okay, so you can suit your role or pay developer. So I'm just selecting my state, and then I just change my organization name. So and here you have to use your business mail ID. So once you are entered your mail ID, you can just click on the down button to start. So once you have clicked on the start, so you'll be getting a pop-up here. So success, please refresh your requested page. Just click on cancel. Okay, just make a refresh. So now you can see here January till January 19th. So for next 60 days, I will not get any update. Okay, so my UiPath Studio will not be updated. To follow me, just go here and install from my Google Drive. So I have put my UiPath Studio version which I was working. So soon after that, you just come to the cloud services. In cloud services, you have to activate the enterprise. How I activated. So likewise, once you activate it, so your updation will be blocked for next 60 days. So in the 60 days, you will be able to learn this, and you can able to handle the new version also if you're getting newer and newer. Uh, I hope this will be very cool and helpful for you all. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.